Hello, trading is closed on September 5th, 2019. Let's go over our calls. My call was killed before the open today. Futures are up, but I said if we got a reversal and this high held, it completed a very negative pattern. We could drop in a straight line. I had other things besides the wave count, but we gapped up and gapping up sharply in the undesired direction. The call was killed. And when these things fail, they typically fail in grand style. This is the pattern with the early low. Tomorrow has the early high. During the day, MEJT gave a buy signal here. We've already rallied enough to satisfy it. Well, here's what we said. If the pattern's a triple three, we should start dropping hard and fast right from the opening. Turns out that wasn't a pattern because we gapped up smartly. The call was killed. Once again, if the call's killed, I don't lose any money, only if the call's wrong. This was my alternate count, and that's killed now too. We trade over this close by 1 cent, and that validates the breakout, establishes this consolidation as support. Well, so much for the alternate count. Now I have to go back to my primary count, and that's not really clear to me. Suppose this could be a B and this is C. Maybe there's a B in here and a C down here. Whatever it is, it would have been a lot prettier picture for me if we dropped, but that didn't happen. And the main problem with today's breakout is it's hard for me to count the corrective waves as being completed, and until today, impossible to count the rally as a 5-wave structure. There is a count that works. It looks pretty forced to me. Doesn't break rules. I'm not certain that's the right count, but if that's A and that's B, you got fib support right at that C, and you can count these as impulsive 5-wave structures going up. It's there, but I'm not betting any money on it at this time. That's the same one. So what about tomorrow? Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. It's usually a rally day with a high in the final hour. If it fails, a straight line drop. Payroll report tomorrow morning makes predicting challenging. I take things a day at a time. I don't risk any money till I know what the payroll report says. Continuing higher validates the breakout, leaving an unfilled gap invalidates it. I mean, if we gap down tomorrow, that break doesn't mean a thing. Count's not clear, but the odds now favor the recent consolidation holding as support. Be aware a number of indicators I watch are close to giving sell signals, even though they haven't given them yet. And for the short term at least, if we rally some more, we'll probably get sentiment sell signals from a number of different indicators. But that hasn't happened yet, and I'm waiting for the employment report to see what happens. This suggests that this consolidation is going to hold as support, even if we do sell off some, but I have nothing guaranteeing we sell off some. See what happens tomorrow, and that's today's call, or non-call if you wish.